Hi, how are you everyone? Welcome back to my lovely channel. For your information, this video was created on 26 May 2018, 14 of hour, 55 of minute and 41 of second. In this lovely day, we are going to explain something. The thing is, do birds feel pain? In the next few seconds you will get a short information about do birds feel pain. Hopefully it will help you. Enjoy the video. Here is the explanation about do birds feel pain. Pain and suffering in birds. 14 July 2009. Chickens and turkeys, birds, experience pain, panic, fear and distress the same as other animals including humans. Birds, like mammals, he explains, have a well-developed sensory system to monitor very precisely external noxious or potentially noxious stimuli. Last update July 14, 2009. Now, we will give you 20 seconds to read again the explanation by yourself so you can absorb this information. Please take your time. Hi, that's all of the explanation. If you find this video helpful, please like and comment on this video and subscribe this channel. Thank you, and see you again in another video. Goodbye.